Hi friends, welcome to our channel AGN Videos. In this video, I am going to share some of the hidden facts about the things we use around in our daily life. Number 1. Your smartphones could send astronauts to the moon. You probably know that the phone you carry around in your pocket is light years ahead of the technology of 5 decades ago. However, it's hard to grasp just how advanced it is. In terms of processing ability, your phone is millions of times more powerful than the Apollo guidance computer AGC that NASA used to send astronauts to the moon in 1969. AGCs cost 3.5 million each and were the size of a car. But even just the clock function of an iPhone 6 is comparable to send 120 million simultaneous Apollo-era spacecraft to the moon and back. Number 2. There are 1,000 ways to tie a necktie. A Sweden mathematician calculated the number of different ways to tie a necktie at over 175,000. This is especially shocking considering that a previous study set the number firmly at 85, quite a difference. The newer study took into consideration many variants which the previous one did not, including exposed knots, wrappings, and windings. They even created a knot generator to show you a variation and how to tie it at random. Still, despite this sartorial discovery, if you take it from us, there is really only one proper way to tie a necktie. Number 3. Coffee makes the world go round. Coffee might be incredibly important to your morning routine, but it's even more important to the world economy. Produced by 25 million farmers in 50 countries all over the globe, coffee is second only to oil when it's come to the most traded commodities. 40% of the total produced every year comes from Brazil. Although New Yorkers drink the caffeinated brew at the rate 7 times higher than the US national average, Finland is the country with the highest per capita coffee consumption. Number 4. The computer mouse was originally a turtle. It's not hard to imagine how the computer mouse got its name. It's small and quick, and the core that connects it to the computer resemble a tail. However, manufacturers of early versions referred to it as a turtle, with its hard shell on the top and moving parts underneath. Although early computer experts weren't sure they'd catch on, computer mic or mouse, the Oxford English Dictionary accepts both plurals are here to say. Number 5. Slinky has been to space. A popular toy ever since its invention in 1946. The humble Slinky has delighted girls and boys of all ages for more than 70 years. Made of flattened wire originally or plastic for safety reasons. An uncoiled Slinky would be 87 feet long. It's not only a toy. The metal version has used by engineers and soldiers has makeshift antenna. In 1985, a Slinky even made it into space aboard the Space Shuttle Discovery. However, astronaut Dr. Saddon reported that the Slinky refused to slink in zero gravity. It short of drops. Number 6. Wearable eyeglasses have been around since 1284. Imagine that every time you needed to read something, you had to lift a piece of glass the size of a mirror to your face. That was the best solution that humankind had come up with for vision problem before the 13th century, when some enterprising clerks in Italy shrank the glass and heavy frames enough that they could finally be worn on the nose. A while later, Spanish eyeglass makers come up with the idea of attaching ribbons to the frame so that the glasses would remain on the wearer's face. Finally, in 17th, these ribbons were replaced with the arms that today's glasses have, allowing them to rest comfortably on the nose and ears. Number 7. Cotton candy was invented by a dentist. Made of liquid sugar spun into tiny stands. Cotton candy was invented in 1895 by John C. Warter, a candy maker, and Williams Morrison, a dentist. They called their creation Fairy Floss and sold thousands of servings at the St. Louis World's Fair in 1904. It wasn't remained cotton candy until the 1920s by Joseph Lascaux, another dentist, who sold the saccharine confection to his patients. One wonders if these sugar-pending dentists weren't attempting to drum up more business for themselves. Number 8. Microwaves were discovered by accident. The discovery that microwaves would cook food was an accident. In 1940s, engineer Percy Spencer was building a magnetron for some radar equipment when he noticed that the chocolate bar in his pocket had started to melt. Inspired to conduct further tests, he directed microwaves at popcorn, which popped, and eggs, which exploded. Incidentally, scientists don't agree on how exactly microwaves heat food, but they do agree that they use much less energy than conventional ovens. Number 9. Salt was used as currency. Salt has been vital to human history and exploration, since among other things, it allows people to preserve food and take it with them on the long journeys. Salt was so important that the ancient Romans used it as money, paying their soldiers in rations of salt. In fact, that's where we get the English word salary. It's also where we get the English word salad, which was named not for leafy greens, but for those same Romans who liked to sprinkle their greens with salt to improve the flavor. At the last, number 10. Barcode readers read the white parts, not the black. The barcode readers work by emitting rays of light onto the barcode of the product to be scanned. When the lights fall on the barcode, the dark areas absorb the light, whereas the white areas reflect it back. A waveform is then generated that corresponds to the light that was reflected, which is then decoded by the barcode reader in a manner similar to the way Morse code dots and dashes are decoded, giving you the information about the product. Thank you for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed it.